Hi everybody, this is Mary and Glen's Adventure. We are checking into an Airbnb. It's 5 minutes from the Qatar Hotel, the Hardock Casino. And this is the yacht. It's beautiful. This is going to be nice at nighttime.
You gonna wait for open sound?
Is the pool included too?
Yes.
Oh wow, thank you.
We already cleaned it.
Thank you.
You have towels inside.
Okay.
And press the open.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that part. There we go.
Wait, no.
Oh,
You
still
did
milk?
it like late. Slowly.
Okay, look at this. This is beautiful. I just asked, the pool is included, so maybe we'll put our bathing suits on and take a little swim. This is going to be nice. Okay, we got the door open, and here is where we're going to stay tonight. Nice bed, TV, little sitting area, big refrigerator, nice kitchen area, the dining table. Wow, nice shower, tub area. Guess if you have, there you go, extra bedding. Okay, this is where we're going to hang out now to get all of our stuff in.